So our very next hands-on green building and tiny house building design workshop, you will actually build, going to be in Joshua Tree at the Atomic Ranch, March 23rd to the 25th. RelaxShacks.com for details. Hey, what's up? I'm Deek from RelaxShacks.com here at the Denver Home Show 2017, where we are exploring part of almost 12 houses for their tiny house village, a house by Tiny Diamond Homes with Cheryl. So thank you for having us in here, Cheryl. This place is the first word that comes to mind, and this is kind of oxymoronic for a tiny house, very spacious.
Well, thank you very much.
And it's for a couple of reasons, but before we get to that, why don't you give us a couple specs, the layout and the size.
Basically, this is 24 foot long by 8.5 foot wide. Inside, though, we have 7 foot 9 inches because we build outside the wheel wells.
Gotcha.
It's on our trailer, and yes, we do sell our trailers now. What we've done is to ensure that you have a great kitchen. I've always believed that a kitchen needs to be in a triangle where you can reach into a refrigerator, and it's a full-size one. We were one of the first to do that. No, you can't eat the food in there.
I was hoping there was beer in there.
Actually, no.
What kind of host are you, Cheryl? Come on.
What kind of host am I? I have a husband who likes to eat, and that's what he put in there.
There you go.
We have a pretty good, this is an RV stove. We use it sometimes now, but most of the time we use a full-size stove, depending on our customers. We use Corian on our countertops because it's flexible, lightweight, and repairable.
Yes, well, lightweight's key too when you're pulling something on the road, of course.
And it's propane. We like to use, this is a 50 amp on a cord, which means we keep the electrical needs down by putting in propane appliances. We have a tankless hot water heater, and this one's a little bit different than our usual one, but it is, ooh, there's a lot of junk under there. See how much it stores?
Yep, that is a pretty deep cabinet, I have to say. And the sink is nice and deep too, which you don't get a lot.
Well, not only that, this pulls out. Do you want me to spray it?
No, please not.
Actually, the water's not hooked up.
That's all right.
Even, let's see, these are GFIs, so that if you have something plugged in and you put it in a full sink, you don't die.
Yeah, within 6 feet, I believe. Isn't that the code? Something like that, so you don't get fried, yeah.
Everything is up to current electrical code. We have a full-size bathroom, or pretty full.
This is actually a very good size for a tiny house. I mean, it almost looks like it's close to 6 feet across from where I stand to you, maybe 5 and change. And then you have this nice shower in the corner here.
Yes, and a
vanity.
sink.
Yeah.
We believe that it opens this direction. You can actually reach for your towel. Right there.
Oh, there you go, yep.
Now.
And it doesn't block the sink.
And this is double hung, so you can get air up there and not expose yourself to your neighbors. That's important.
Can you show us these? I mean, this isn't as exciting, but you have a lot of cabinetry here. There's a lot of storage.
Do you know what? The important thing in a tiny house is storage.
Of course.
We try not to cram the space with stuff, but move functional living space so people can have a couch to sit on. So we have cupboards and drawers, which means when you have floor to ceiling cabinetry like this, you have to have 80 inches, which we do. Let's see, lots and lots and lots.
3-burner range, yeah, a bunch of drawers here.
One underneath the stove. Whoop, missed cleaning that. There's a couple little flies.
Well, this one right here has all the shelving built into it that slides out as well. I mean, I could crawl in there, but I'm afraid Cheryl wouldn't let me out.
No, and actually you'd probably break it.
Yeah, true.
I try not to let people climb into my cabinetry anymore.
You have a bunch of space over here where you could put an armchair. I mean, there's a lot of possibilities. Your TV's over here, would be over here as well.
Actually, yeah, you can tell there's a hookup for the TV
Coaxial,
there.
Yep.
I just put one of my paintings. I did.
You did that? That's very cool.
Yeah, I like to paint and draw.
Yeah.
This loft is actually, we changed from a shed to roof style to a gable roof style, and it's all one plane. Now, some of us can't get up here like I can. But the grandkids love it.
Oh, I'm sure. It's like a giant fort. What I love about your house here, again, you have some white, but you didn't overdo the white. You have these nice light walls, which makes it feel very airy, open, spacious. I see a lot of houses, I was talking to Mariah, who works for you, where they use too much dark stain. And it feels like this crypt of doom. And this is just very, again, spacious.
Back when we started building 5 years ago, very few people put windows big enough for fire escape in the lofts.
No egress.
And so we started with egress.
Yeah.
And fire and smoke alarms.
Oh, okay, yeah. Well, you guys have pretty much thought of it all. Behind me, we'll show before we wrap it up.
Okay.
There's a great little, you have some lofted storage up there as well.
Mm-hmm.
And a great little sitting area here. It's like a full size, almost a full, it's like a love seat, but you could squeeze in a full size couch in there.
Oh, you can get a full size in here.
These nice tall windows are great for a view.
They really are.
You haven't cheaped out in the windows in terms of their size. And furthermore, this right here, entrance and killer view. Not right now because we're in an expo center.
It's nice in an expo to have a double door for safety.
Yeah, well, so many people have already been coming in and out of this house that you really need that space.
Yep, there's been sometimes 40 in here at once.
I believe it. Again, Cheryl from tinydiamondhomes.com. Thank you so much for the gracious tour.
Well, thank you very much. And have a great visit to Colorado.
Thank you.